Hi, I'm Paul. How are you? How many times each day are we asked how we are, but the asker doesn't really want to know, and we're not really inclined to tell? I mean, when the clerk at the grocery store says, "How are you?" we say, "Great, how are you?" And we might say that even if we just found out our best friend has cancer. It's nice and appropriate social etiquette, but we don't want to burden the clerk with our feelings about our friend. Now, when I ask my new clients how they are doing, I hear things like, "Honestly, I'm feeling depressed," or "I feel like I'm anxious all the time. I just wish my relationship with my partner or kids was more fulfilling." And yet last week, when I asked one of my hypnotherapy clients, who I've been seeing for a while, how she was, she said, "My anxiety is just a thing of the past. I'm sleeping much better. Things that used to totally set me off at work just don't do that anymore." Before I would have gone completely off the deep end. And this is one that really got me. She said, "My best friend told me she sees the change just in my face over the last several weeks, and she says I look better all the time." To me, that's what therapy is about. It's what drives my passion. Effective therapy is about change. It's about improving self-esteem, investing in your quality of life, empowering you to be in control of your thoughts, emotions, and reactions. So when I ask you, "How are you?" take just a minute with a quiet mind and listen. How are you really? If the answer is, "There's not a single thing in my life that could be better," then I think you are really fortunate, and that's awesome. If the answer is, "I'm doing pretty well, but I'm sad about my friend who has cancer," or "My adolescent kid is driving me nuts," or "My spouse was in an accident and has a traumatic brain injury and I don't know how to deal with it," or even, "I don't know how I am. Life's great. I've got a great partner and I love my job, but my daughter just turned 13 and I experienced some tough things when I was 13. If you have answers like that, then think about giving me or another therapist a call. I offer a free consultation so we can get to know each other, and several other therapists do as well. Finding a therapist that fits best for you is important, so I'd recommend talking to several. Find someone who fits your style, matches your values, and offers what you're looking for. Since I opened the doors of my first private practice in 1993, I've helped hundreds of people just like you negotiate a wide range of life's challenges. So even if your answer is, "I'm doing great, but I'd love to have even more confidence," or "Life is so exciting that now I'm having trouble sleeping," I want to know how you are and how you can be even better. So how are you, really?